Hello world, you are welcome to this course titled The Journey That's Becoming a Computer Programmer. This is an introductory course to computer programming with C++. Now in this course I'm targeting beginner programmers, university students who just started with C++ or about to start with C++, anyone who is just interested in computer programming. And also, if you're a software engineer or developer and you have a sibling that you'd like to teach him or her about computer programming, but don't have the time, don't worry. This can be a start place for him or her. Now, what I would like us to do is before we begin this course, the software that we'll use to write our program. Yes, we'll need a software to write our C++ program. Some of the softwares are NetBeans, Dev C++, and C-Line. But the one that I'm going to use throughout the course is NetBeans. IDE here is Integrated Development Environment. That is a software package that helps you. You have all the tools that you need in order to write a program and run it. And so for easy navigation, I recommend that we use NetBeans so that we can all follow throughout the course. Now you can get the NetBeans from, I'm going to this link. I'm going to open it. I'll also make it available in the comment section where you can download. Open the browser and then you enter this address. Now when you get here, I downloaded the 8.2 version. Now when you open the site and then you go there, there are various edition for the languages that is support or the technology that I support, but I would recommend that we download for all, as this is not going to be the only programming language tutorials that I'll be designing. Mostly I'll be using the NetBeans. So you click on the download. I've already downloaded it. So when you download it, then you open it, you follow the step-by-step instruction to get it installed. It's as simple as it is to get you through. Now, when you're done and then you open the NetBeans for the first time, try to click on this yellow plus icon here, that is create new project, or you click on file and you select new project. If no window pops up and then you're seeing this red information here, sometimes you may see 1 or 2 in it, and then you click on it and you see this left button, then it means there is something wrong somewhere. You may not be able to create project. That is because the current version of the JDK NetBeans 8.2 IDE, this one, does not support the current version that you have installed on your computer system. So you have to follow this link to download the JDK, that's Java Development Kit, the browser. I'll make the link available too. Okay, so all the way down, and then you download the one according to the platform that you're using, and then after downloading this one, then you install. Now, one quick thing you have to check is the version of JDK your system is using. After installing the JDK that you just downloaded, you open your terminal, or you just go to where your app is and then you search terminal. When it pops up, then you open it up. Now you type Java version. You check the current version. My current version is 10.0.1, and that is why I'm not being able to create a new project. Now in this case, what you need to do is to try and change the current version to the one that you just installed. So what we do here is to open the Finder. Going to open a Finder. There's the Finder I just opened, and from the menu bar, click on Go, and then select Go to Folder. Paste this path to this directory where you have your Java virtual machines. Click on Go, and then All these are JDKs that I have installed previously. Now what you need to do in order to make sure that the current JDK is the one that you just installed, which is 1.8.0 underscore 202.jdk. Now what you need to do, this is the current one that it is using, so you open it, you open the content, and then this info.plist, rename it and add dot disabled to the extension. Yes, use dot disable, and then yeah. So I've done the same, I've done similar to this JDK, the 9.0, this one too is disabled. So now the current version becomes this one. So now that I have disabled the rest of the JDK up to this one, if I go back to my terminal and then type Java version, I get the 1.8.0 underscore 202. Now close the NetBeans IDE and then relaunch it. So waiting for it to load. As soon as launch, you see that that little notification is gone, and this time around, so when you click on new project, you get to see the new project window. That means you have configured it for Windows users. Alright, so after downloading the JDK, just open to install it. I don't know, for some reason when I did the recording on the Windows, the mouse pointer seemed to be far away from the window itself. But if you follow the voice, you'll be able to do it, and then you watch where the highlights are on the video, you'll be able to follow up. So you go through the step-by-step instruction to install the JDK. Alright, so after installation, click close and open your CMD. Type java space hyphen version and then hit enter. You see java is not recognized. Java is not recognized. That is because we haven't set the environment path. Right click on the PC, select properties, and then select advanced, and then go to environment variables. And then in the environment variables video, look for new and click on new under the system variables and type variable name java underscore home, just as you see, and then click on the browse directory so that you can select the path to where you installed the JDK. You find it under C, you go to program files, look for Java folder, and then you select the JDK. Now that becomes the path. Click OK and then go to. Now the next thing to do is move to path and then click edit. And then we're going to add new path, so you click on the new one and then you type %java underscore home %bin. Okay, so after doing that, you click OK, select OK, and then you close your terminal and then you open it again, the CMD, type java version. This time around, you see that you have set the environment home, so you can see the Java version that you have installed. And if you do echo Java home, and then it's going to show you the path. All right. All right, thank you for your participation. That'll be all for the introduction to this course. If you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you.